How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see six different options there. Tap on the three dash lines or the menu and it will look like this. Now next is on the scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now here on settings and privacy, what I want you to do is to look for the audience and visibility section and tap on how people find and contact you. Now here, you will see these options. The next thing that you want to do is to tap on who can see your friends list, and as you can see, it's currently on friends. Now, my friends will be able to see my mutual friends. So to be able to hide that is you have to set that to only me. So who can see your friends list will be hidden from your profile page. And basically, that is how you hide mutual friends on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.